Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by charging. This prevents intermittent disconnects while pairing. Power both earbuds on together so they enter the same pairing state, which creates a single audio channel source. Once done, make sure Bluetooth on your phone or device is open and scanning, and keep the earbuds within 1 meter so signal strength is strong. You do this because simultaneous activation forces the left and right to sync internally before the device pairing step. Now you put the earbuds explicitly into pairing mode. Press and hold the touch or multifunction button on both until the LEDs alternate or flash rapidly. This tells the internal firmware to broadcast. If only one earbud appears, reset both by holding the buttons longer, about 15 seconds, so they forget prior pairings, then repeat the hold sequence. After that, you should see a JLab model name appear on your phone. Select it so the phone can exchange. Tap the JLab entry on your device to complete pairing. You'll know it worked when the LED becomes steady or a voice says connected. This confirms profiles like a 2DP and HFP loaded. If connection fails, remove the saved JLab device from your phone, perform the 15-second reset on earbuds, then repeat the pairing step. This clears ghost pairings. Finally, play audio to confirm stereo. If one side is silent, resync the pair with the reset, because most issues are left/right desync rather than hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.